So I was sent these sword bookmarks in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. And when I saw these, I just couldn't pass them up. They look so unique. I've never quite seen a bookmark just like this before. There are various styles. They look so cool. I really like this idea. This is about how big they are, about the length of one of my fingers, so maybe about 3 inches or so. And I love the detail on these things. Very cool. Like I said, there are all kinds of designs on them. Comes with quite a few of these bookmarks. Such cool detail. It really is. I love the color of them as well. Just looks very rustic, very authentic. And they're well made too. These aren't flimsy. You can bend them, and maybe if you really try hard enough, you can break them, but they're going to hold up just fine with normal use. Some are definitely smaller or bigger than others, but I think that they're all well made. That was just one of the bags. I have 2 more bags full of them. So each bag contains the same ones, the same designs. So you have 3 of each design. They are made of metal. You can hear when they cling together, that metallic noise. So let's see how they look inside of a book. And what better book to use than the Bible? All right, so we're just gonna open up to a random passage. We're gonna take this long one here and just stick it in the top. That's what it looks like. Definitely displaces the pages a few, but it looks really cool in there. Yeah, I like that. Let's try a different one. Here's kind of this pirate's blade. That's cool. Here's one from like, I think the medieval era. See how that looks? Man, I like that one the most. I honestly didn't think how much I would like these, but I think that looks really neat. Of course, if you're marking several places in your book, you can have more than one. Yeah, I really like these. Very unique. Never seen a bookmark just like this before. You could even, if you wanted to, attach several of them to like a necklace, because they have a way to secure them, but not all of them. This one doesn't have any holes. But if you're a book lover and you want kind of a unique way to mark your books, I definitely recommend these. They're so fun.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.